Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short, little unboxing video to share with you guys. I have absolutely no idea who sent this package, but that's an all too common experience for me because people send me stuff from all over the place, right? So, and I don't recognize any of the information on the front, but I'm sure that it's a knife. We'll find out together. If it's something you can buy, I will link it right down below in the description of this video. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alrighty, let's go ahead and find out what the heck is in this package. Okay. That is not a brand that I have ever heard of. What? Okay. I don't remember talking with anybody with this company name. But you know what? Let's find out what it is. Xtouc. Xtouc. I have no idea. Xtouc. I don't. My mouth does not want to make this a word. Xtouc. I can't say this. Yeah, okay. Not too many knife companies begin with X though, so I mean maybe that'll be kind of memorable. Woo! That's a big boy. Ooh, is it a button lock? Oh. Okay, it's not a bad looking knife. I mean, it's certainly not, you know, reinventing the wheel, but it's a good looking knife. We have, it is textured. Look at this. Little bitty, almost little, yeah, like a little zigzag. I don't know if it's actually a little diamond pattern or what. This button sticks up a bit, but in the close position, I guess it is recessed. The detent is on the light. Well, it's not a detent, right? It's just pulling away from the plunge lock. It is on the lighter side, but the flipper tab does work, and you can use the thumb studs too. So this is in 14C28N as well. I also like the grind, and I like what looks like, it almost looks like a bead blast, but it's almost like too reflective to be a bead blast. I'm going to guess that this comes in very, very inexpensive. I have not seen the price tag on it yet. I think this is one of those companies who, you know, said, hey, we have a button lock, and I probably glanced at it and said, yeah, you know, feel free to send it in. I'll give you my thoughts, you know, which is absolutely what I do. And sometimes that happens, and I get it, and I'm like, this is crap, and then I just don't show it. But I like this. So you guys are going to, obviously, you're seeing this video. Yeah, ergonomically it feels pretty good. These are not my favorite clips where they come out and then they bleep, blip, blip. You know, a little pinchy, a little weird. They can be grabby too, especially when they have a bill at the end. But okay, not that big of a deal. They didn't mill it for lefties, which is kind of a bummer. But yeah, you know, the quality all the way around feels good. I mean, the recipe for a good budget knife is obviously no longer a secret, right? It was a very short time. It was years ago where it was like budget knives were just like, you know, like there was the Rat, and it was like, it's okay, but oh well, it's, you know, it's not that expensive of a knife. And then all of a sudden there were a few companies who were like, wow, this is pretty nice for the money. And then everyone, and I mean everyone, like you right now, you, Steve, from nowhere, can just be like, I'm going to start a budget knife company and just have whatever Chinese OEM do it. And there you go. They already have the recipe, right? So that's kind of what we're looking at right here. But I think it is nice, right? I mean, and you know, if this is a new company that hasn't made much of a name for themselves, I'm not saying that they are. I'm just saying I'm not familiar with them. If that's the case, generally what's synonymous with that is a really low price tag because they don't have the presence or the clout to be like, yeah, you're going to pay $30 more because it's us, huh? Like, we haven't seen that, or, I mean, that might be the case here, right? So, this can end up having an insanely good price tag on it, in which case, yeah, you might want to. The only thing that's a bummer is how light like, it takes very little force to get this to disengage. But the action's good. It really is. I mean, I can't say that I've got too many complaints here. The grind is nice, and I'm sure it's crazy slicey. Just, I know, cutting a piece of paper doesn't really prove anything. Yeah, I mean, it's plenty thin. Let's see if I can get some, I want to see if I can get some curly. Some initial good curly whirlies. Oh, that was a good one, but it actually came apart there. Yeah, no problem. Ooh, nice and fine, right? Yeah, it's good. Okay, there's really no need to extend this anymore. There's nothing more that I can say on a, unboxing first impressions video. Other than this is not a review. I still have people confused about that. This is not how I review stuff. This type of video is not a review. This is just me opening up a knife and going, yep, it's a knife. Kind of, here's some things that I like initially, right? But there's no way to review something that quickly. So I'm going to spend some time with it, carry it, use it, etc. And I'll give you guys my thoughts after a couple of weeks as I do anything else. I really doubt that this is going to require a whole lot, so it'll probably be a fairly short review, but initially, yeah, pretty good first impressions. Depending on what the price is, it might be something that, people might want to pick up. So I'll link it down below. Thanks again for sending this in for me to take a look at. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.